Welcome to Annabelle's kitchen. Today we're making lasagna. And first we're going to put this cheese in here. Now we're opening this cheese and we're going to put the spoon. And we're going to put it in here. If you didn't make this lasagna and this is your first time, that's okay. We finished all this cheese, see? Now we're going to put this right here. Next thing is cheese. And then we're going to put it in like this. And then put it on, just in case. And then mix it. And then next is some egg. And then put this in. And we're going to stir it all together. Now, it's raining today, but this is a good time to make lasagna. We're going to put this in here. We're going to put this in. Make sure you spread it just a little bit. And spread it. We did it already. Now we're going to put this noodles. Let's do this one first. I think so. Let me get it. Follow me. Now we're getting this. Now we're getting it in here. We're gonna put the noodles in here. In here. I put it in here. Make sure the noodles is just like a puzzle. So that I put it right in and put some little bit of this again. And spread it carefully. We're gonna get the cheese, this cheese. Be careful. Let's get the next one. This. Now we're gonna spread this. This is so beautiful. Now we're gonna put this cheese like this. We're gonna sprinkle it. Please do the edges because the edges is really important. Everything is important of lasagna. Then do another layer with noodles, like a puzzle. Make sure you do it like a puzzle. Smaller, like this. Look, this is beautiful. Next, and now we're gonna put this in. Okay. Put this in. We're gonna put some agua on the edges. Okay? I'm gonna grab some agua on the edges. We're gonna put it right here. Put the lid on. Now, put it on. We've been 2 hours and put some cheese in here. But first, let's not burn ourselves. We're going to spread the cheese like this around. Be careful, guys. It's caliente. It means hot. Maybe just a bit. Now we're going to cover it and let it cook. It's been 4 hours. Let's see what it looks like. Ta-da! Oh, it looks yummy. Now, my mom's gonna help me to get this lasagna out. Daddy!
Yes?
Can you help me eat this?
Okay.
So my dad is gonna spread this cheese for me.
Now let's taste it.
Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe.